Okay guys, ever wanted a fun, stylish way to link your collections directly into a sentence instead of a boring, plain list? Well, this section makes your homepage feel genuinely playful and premium. Today we're adding this Collections List section to your store, letting you weave collection images right into your own custom sentence. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Collections List number 5. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section. Type Collection and choose that section. It'll be added instantly, and its customizable settings open up on the left side. First, you can change this section's background color, but I'll leave that as is for now. Right below that, you can change the font style. I'll convert this to Poppins, and you can also change the font size for both mobile and desktop. There's also padding, margin, gap between lines, gap between image and text, pill corner radius, pill size on mobile, and quite a few more options here too. After that, click on any text and its settings open up, letting you easily edit it. Then click on any frame and here you can add whichever collection you want to showcase. If you don't like that collection's default thumbnail image, you can easily overwrite it, just like I'm doing right now. This photo doesn't quite fit, so let's replace it with this one instead from the same collection's products. You'll customize all 3 tabs the same way, one by one, and once you're done, hit Save and this section goes live on your store, if your store is live too. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.